Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In this video, I'm giving you a tour of my downstairs and upstairs full house tour in Valentines and a little bit of kick of spring. I hope you enjoy and happy Valentine's Day everyone. Hey guys, welcome to our home. And I hope you enjoy watching and you get some inspiration. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing. Not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. When no one can break me, no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna stay wide open. Shout out to my subscribers, non-content creator, Varvara Evans, Rita Washington, Linda Marshall, Miss New York, Almari Hakshaw, Anne Marie Cameron, Karen Monteith, Laverne Jackson, Lori Combs, Pauline Henry, Marie Smith, Monique Pickens, Robin C., Anda Irvings, Yoni Mackenzie. This ginger jar, I thrifted it from Salvation Army for $7. And this one is a red color, but I painted it in Tiffany blue. Same thing with the heart plates. I also painted in Tiffany blue last year.
I have three more people to shout out. It was Diana Hilential, Bridget Shorter, and the last one is Elcha O'Hara. On my next video, I'm going to shout out more non-content creator and also a content creator.
Saw your face in the crowd and I think without eyes. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful.
Guys, my inspiration over here is actually my theme of Tiffany Blue. That's why I decorated my downstairs in this color. Guys, I'll shout out your name because I see your name all the time in the comment section. And of course, to each and every one of you that who are watching my videos, I will go over to all the comments and I will shout out on my next video again because most of the time I cannot answer my comments, so this is my way of appreciation to all of you. I did a shout out the last time on my video and this is the continuation on it. Welcome to my love. You see this before, it was a Paris theme, but I made a few changes and I hope you like it. Welcome to our bedroom.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's it's midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name.
As you can see guys that I styled this one in traditional color because that was my finale. So I combined the Tiffany blue and my finale theme. Same thing here in my loft, and it was my Parisian theme. So for the past 3 weeks of our series, I combined together this theme to create this home tour.
Choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. To go on together.
I hope everyone you enjoy this home tour of my Valentines and a little accent of spring because spring is in the air. So that's why I decided to style my downstairs in this color theme. This is my favorite color guys. And as you notice, I did not make a traditional tree because I don't like to take down that Tiffany tree, which is I like it very much.
Choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. To go on together.
If you like this video today, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so all the time I upload videos, you will be notified. Stay tuned on the 24th of this month. It will be our Glam Squad video and it will be late winter to spring home tour. So stay tuned for that. Please don't forget to follow me in Instagram at Glamour Ellen. Also, my Facebook is Glamour Ellen and my website it is glamourellen.com.
Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm
Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Be safe.